Look how I can play the chords to the James Bond theme. First I use my middle finger and I put it down on D-La on the 3rd string 2nd fret. I'm going to play that 3rd string with my thumb at the same time that I lift up on the 1st string with my index finger. It sounds like this. I play La and Mi at the same time. I then, after I've got that down, I use my pointer finger to put down on the 1st fret of that 1st string, and I play the same 2 strings. I then add to that, I keep everything down, and I add my ring finger on the 2nd fret of the 1st string. And then I go right back down. In a row, it sounds like this. If I want to get really fancy, in between each one, I could hit the 3rd string again to get that horn stab sound. Try it with me. 1, 2, here we go. Ba da 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 ba da 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 ba da 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 ba da 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 ba da da ba da 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 dum. Have fun.